Hi, good afternoon. My name is Frank Eck. I'm with Tropo, T-R-O-P-O. We are a telephony API provider. We have focused on providing very high-quality carrier-grade platform with very extensible APIs for building excellent solutions in the network. Wanted to give a simple demo. I actually found out I was giving a demo 30 minutes ago, so but I didn't write it in 30 minutes like the coding contest a minute ago. But so one of the coolest use cases I think for WebRTC is getting something quickly for time to market with the minimal hassle, fastest time to market, best use for carriers, and or I mean best case for companies. I was a developer 10 years ago, and I haven't been a developer since then. But this is a demo that I built a little while ago, a couple weeks ago. We have no affiliation with USAA or any services with USAA, but it was a company I knew had a speech-enabled IVR that demonstrated kind of the initial power of what you can do with WebRTC quickly. Phono is our WebRTC client, or it's our WebRTC API. It's open source. You can use it free for development. Tropo is our telephony API platform. So the demo I'm going to show is use Phono to build an application. It plugs into the website, connects through Tropo to bridge to the PSTN, and connects to existing customer resources. In this case, the demo I'm showing, the customer doesn't have to change anything, but you open up a multi-channel communication endpoint for their customers that wasn't there before by contacting through the web. And I will show you the demo. Here the Phono API is tied to these buttons, call checking, call credit cards, call savings. And I'm assuming the delay is due to the network. It was working fine in the corner here a second ago. So what this does is, as soon as it comes up, it basically does a phone call into Tropo. Tropo bridges to the PSTN to the existing USAA IVR, which is all speech-enabled, and a customer could have an interaction. So the simplest use case is to connect, obviously, to existing infrastructure. But the story I like to tell is a few years ago, I wanted to refinance my mortgage. I called my financial service provider. I went on. I logged on. I logged onto the site. I logged into my account. I looked through to find out which, the right location to call for the mortgage services. Went over, picked up a phone, called in to the company. Had to go through an IVR. Had to re-authenticate myself. Had to explain what I wanted to do. And in that time, it took 10 minutes to get to talk to an agent. Whereas if you're using WebRTC and you're already logged into your financial service provider, it's already identified who you are. You can immediately call in just by clicking a button. You're not going to spend 10 minutes re-authenticating yourself or talking to an IVR to get rerouted. And it's a lot better user experience, and it's lower cost for the company, less infrastructure, and it's a win-win for everybody. So let me see if the internet connection is going to make it here.
Thank you for selecting credit cards. If you were a new user, then you could have been connected immediately with a credit card sales agent. Please wait for your call to continue with USAA's IVR. Welcome to USAA. To reach an extension, press the pound key. If please say or enter your USAA.
There you go. It started picking up on the background noise. So in that application, it simply I put together a widget. It took me less than a day to build this. I'm not a developer. It transfers into Tropo. Tropo played the text-to-speech just to show you that Tropo was there and connected into USA's infrastructure. To deploy this commercially, you really, USA's IVR does all the authentication and security. You're really just providing a new access channel. This could be done in half an hour, or something like that. So thank you very much.